Okay, this is my 4-point through Mercruiser Thunderbolt 5 ignition. I want to talk about the fuel water separator. This is a 2001 boat, and the fuel water separator was never changed. So that's basically on the front of your motor here. The Sierra part number is 187944 for this specific motor. And it kind of goes right below the alternator there. And when I took off this old filter, it's getting extremely brittle, which is extremely dangerous. It was completely full of water. So I would highly recommend changing this every single year, which I will. I just bought this boat. So highly recommend this. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. The filter turns off counterclockwise. I had to remove this stuff in order to get to it. But I think it's an extremely important part to replace that.